Humans are social beings and have a natural desire for social interaction. People tend to conform to the behavior of those around them, often referred to as social influence or peer pressure. Emotions play a crucial role in human behavior and decision-making. The human brain has a strong bias towards patterns and shortcuts to simplify decision-making, which can lead to biases and errors. People have a natural tendency to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Human behavior is shaped by cultural, environmental, and social factors. People have different personality traits, including openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Humans have a need for autonomy, competence, and relatedness, which are important for motivation and well-being. Humans have a cognitive bias towards information that confirms their existing beliefs, known as confirmation bias. People tend to attribute their successes to internal factors and their failures to external factors, known as the self-serving bias. Humans have a tendency to judge others based on their actions and judge themselves based on their intentions, known as the fundamental attribution error. People tend to overestimate their abilities and underestimate the difficulty of tasks, known as the overconfidence bias. Humans have a natural tendency to reciprocate kindness and goodwill, known as the reciprocity principle. People tend to prefer consistency in their beliefs and behaviors, known as the cognitive consistency principle. Humans have a need for belonging and social validation, known as the social identity theory. People tend to adjust their behavior to fit the expectations of their social roles, known as the social role theory. Humans have a natural desire for fairness and justice, known as the equity theory. People tend to make decisions based on the way information is presented to them, known as the framing effect. Humans have a tendency to underestimate the impact of situational factors on behavior and overestimate the impact of personal factors, known as the actor-observer bias. People are motivated by a variety of factors, including rewards, punishments, intrinsic motivation, and extrinsic motivation. Humans have a natural tendency to conform to authority figures and follow orders, even if they go against their moral beliefs, known as the Milgram effect. The human brain is wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain, which can influence behavior. Emotions play a significant role in human behavior, affecting decision-making and social interactions. Humans have a tendency to perceive and remember information that supports their existing beliefs and values, known as confirmation bias. People often make decisions based on their emotions rather than rational thought, a phenomenon known as affective decision-making. Cognitive biases can affect human behavior, leading individuals to make decisions that are not always rational or logical.